So these are some self-limiting thoughts like my English is not good, what if I fail, what others will say about me, log kya kahenge, duniya kya kahegi, I am a diabetic, I am not healthy, I will suffer from this disease for whole life. I have some problem with my hearing. If somebody speaks slowly, very slowly, then I cannot hear. I'm very shy, and there are so many things which I want to burn, which I have written in this page. So I'm going to burn all of these self-limiting thoughts in front of you, all of you. As you can see, I am going to burn this paper which has the self-limiting thoughts of mine. See, this is burning.